I don't know what the minimum profit you should aim for is. It all's going to depend. Let's just have a look on amazon.com.au. Let's just have a look at this. It seems we're here. So what you want to do is any product that you are considering selling, let's supposing that I was considering selling a box full of doggy things for a new dog owner, for instance, a doggy starter pack. I don't know, a doggy starter pack, for instance. Well, I would go and have a look at some other people who are selling a doggy starter pack and just figure out what the margins are as far as Amazon's concerned for those products before I thought about differentiating it, and then I'd think about differentiating it. Okay, so go to this page. Let me give you the link. So you've got it. That's the link. Go to a link, go search it. Here it is. So that's the product. You've got two different options here. Your fulfillment, which is FBM, and our Amazon fulfillment, which is FBA. Let's suppose we're going to ship it FBA. So your price, that's the price it sells for, which is $30, $29.95. Dunk. The shipping charge to Amazon. So this is your best guess about what it will cost you to get that product from, let's say, China to Amazon's warehouses per unit. So let's suppose I'm ordering 100 units and it's going to cost me $500 in total to get from China to FBA warehouse. That makes it $5 per unit. So $5 is what I put there. The cost of goods, that's the hard costs of the goods that are in this from China. Let's suppose, I don't know, looks like it's like $7 or $8 worth of stuff. So let's just call it $8 worth of stuff. That's what it's going to cost me. So that's the hard costs that my costs to put the product together. Calculate it out. So it's saying here I've got a net profit of 8.9% with my margin being 29, so basically 30%. So what margin do I go for? Well, I am constantly considering the product in light of what my goal is for the product. So what the hell does that mean? Well, let's suppose I'm wanting to sell this box of stuff and I'm looking at the search engine results page and I see that it is already on page 1 in position 1, and I'm thinking to myself, well, I'm going to usurp that position and I'm going to put my product page 1 position 1. So I've now got to think about what marketing budget will I need to do that and then maintain that. So I'll have to consider that in light of what my goal is. So I will consider that and think about how much money I'm going to be able to spend per sale in marketing costs. So that's one thing I'll consider. The other thing I might do is I say, well, look, this has got 2,900 reviews. I'm never going to unseat that. But look at position number 2 and position number 3. That's only got 21 reviews. That's got 5 reviews. I could easily get my product into position number 3 and scoop up some sales from position number 3. So how much would it take to do that? Again, it depends how competitive that is. So you've got to consider that. Final thing that I ask myself is, what about if I want to do outside marketing? What if I want to do Facebook ads or Google or something like that, or YouTube? What do I need to allocate to it for that? And so I'll consider it in light of those things. You must go through the process of running the numbers. It may be a little bit boring to do that, and I totally get that, but it will save you tons of heartache down the path if you discover that the product that you put your heart and soul into actually costs you money every time you make a sale, which I've done. I've done that, and it ended up costing me money every single time I make a sale. You only make that mistake once, but it's an expensive mistake to make. So use the Seller Central Revenue Calculator That is the best thing to do. Run your numbers. I don't focus on percentage, net margin percentage. Don't focus on that. Who cares what the percentage is? Who cares? Focus on money. Focus on money. That is what you get to spend. That is what Google requires for Google Ads. Doesn't require a percentage, requires money. Ditto for your Amazon PPC, ditto for Facebook ads. They all need money. They don't care that your product makes 50%. Who cares? What they care about is it's 50% of what? How much money have you got to spend? How much money have you got to spend? So don't get caught up on margins. Get caught up on the actual cash that you get. That's a much better thing at this level to be caught up on, okay? Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.